Oh, look at all that steam. Time to eat. So that's our chickpeas in sweet and tangy spicy sauce. Some brown rice to go with it and some veggies. Alright, so we have our water boiling with a little salt, and with our spicy chickpeas today we're gonna be having some brown rice. Like we say, vegan today again, vegan. Just stir that in a little, leave it, make it cook. Turn down, this is on, turn it down just a little bit, just a little, and cover it back. And so we're gonna add a little butter to it. Just gonna add a little butter. So that's, looks like a lot, but it's not. It's not. I like my rice butter anyway. Probably should have put soap on. But I won't. And then I will leave that, let it cook. So let's see how our veggies are looking. They're coming along. Roasted. I cannot get over the color of this. The pumpkin, the Irish, the carrot. So, and then the pepper color, the pepper red from the flakes of pepper. It smells really good, you guys. Wish y'all could smell it, but you can't, so just take it in. So our roasted veggies are ready. And I mean, you could have just put this down with your chickpeas if you wanted to, but I find that roasting it separately and then adding it gives it a different flavor. So the charred edges, I didn't want it to be too dark or roasted too much, so it's still a bit tender because I'm gonna cook it down. Now a little in the sauce, right? So now time to cook down all of this niceness, all of this veggie in this bomb sauce that we're preparing, right? And this sauce is both has a slight sweetness to it and it's also slightly tangy. Remember, we use our stir fry and all of these things, our jerk seasoning, so we're gonna cook down all of this goodness in this bad boy. Alright, so we're gonna get it to a boil. Once we get it to a boil, then we'll start adding our veggies and our chickpeas. So now we have this to a little boil. We're gonna start adding or we're gonna just add everything in gradually. So a little chickpeas. Go ahead and put some vegetables in this, right? Remember, and get some all that goodness. Look at that. You can see the pepper flakes, the garlic, all that goodness that we put on it before. And we're just going to add this to our stir fry mix. Sweet and thyme. This smells bomb now. Smells really good. So now we got all our roasted veggies in. We're just going to mix that in with our chickpeas. Nice stir fry mix, and I hope you guys really try this dish at home. Don't take my word for it. It's really tasty, very healthy. Especially if you're not really eating into eating a lot of veggies, like my sister Unica. who's not into eating a lot of vegetables, just be creative with it, you know. Cook it just like you'd cook up your chicken. Just like you'd do your stir fried chicken. Cook it up just the same. And you will be surprised how tasty, delicious it turns out. Just put a little more flame under that and just cook this down. Put this down. And like I said, my veggies are still a bit tender. My pumpkin, my Irish, my carrot, roasted enough so you can eat it, but it's not soggy. We don't want it to be soggy. And then just allow that to cook down for a minute until it is at your desired your ideal everything. The sauce is good enough, everything seeps in and tastes really good. So we are done. How is that looking, y'all? So sumptuous. And it smells just as good as it looks. And we got some veggies, lettuce, apples, and some raisins. And brown rice. The girl is gonna share some food and eat. Ooh, look at all that steam. To eat. So that's our chickpeas in sweet and tangy spicy sauce. Some brown rice to go with it and some veggies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe below. Please do try this dish and let me know what y'all think. Again, vegan. Every single thing on this plate is all plant-based. Healthy! Have to stay healthy during quarantine. Peace!